Hi guys, so today I'll be doing a very quick unboxing on one of the slogans that I got recently, and it's a Felix slogan. So it's my first Felix slogan, so I'll just show you guys what's inside. So I got this from my Singapore group order, and the group order manager collected it from the Bangkok concert. So yeah, I didn't have to pay second payment, so yeah, that's why I got it. And it was very cute, so yeah. So first we have the 2 pins, and then it says Felix in Korean. I actually shared the set with my friend so that I could get the mini banner, and then she got the other slogan, so yeah. And then this is the Felix sticker. Then we have more stickers which I don't think I'll use. It just says Felix. And it says Felix. And this is very cute. Then it comes with 2 postcards. Empty at the back, so it just comes with 2 postcards. And then it comes with a lenticular. Yep, and then it comes with the sticker. And now I'll show you the slogan. So this is the slogan. It's hollow. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's hollow, but it's hollow. And then yeah, this is the slogan. Just say 사랑해, which means I love you in Korean. And yeah, the back is hollow, which is why I don't think I'll use it for concerts. I'm trying to find another reflective one, but I don't think anyone's doing. So yeah, I'll just keep this. So I guess this is the end of my Felix slogan unboxing video. See you in my next video. Bye!